Hey Raiders, this video is for any student who has taken a Pitt State dual credit college class while attending Frontenac High School. You have already applied for admission. That is going to be a temporary admission only while you're doing a dual credit class. So if you plan on going to Pitt State after you graduate, you also have to go through the full admission process. You will use the video that I sent out previously, but this is going to be how you get there and what you need to do before that. So you will go to admission, apply, and if you have already been a student, you'll go through the application admission, and rather than, over here is where the new applicants were, that's where the first video started, you will go to reapply. When you go to reapply, you will enter in your GUS login and your PIN number, and then log in securely. After you enter in your GUS ID and GUS password, you will be prompted to your home page. At this point in time, you will need to go to scroll down just a little bit to prospective students and view finish application. From here, talks about admission for Pittsburgh State. Go down to the bottom and it says, if you were previously a PSU student or took courses in high school, click here. So log in here. Here, now you're going to have to re-enter your GUS password and your GUS login and PIN number. So do that. Once you have logged in for the second time, then you'll be prompted to the same page and go through all of the admission process from the previous video that I have just sent out. Now, what's important here is that some of your information is already entered. Some of it isn't. Some of it might need to be updated. Some of it might need the information that goes through the video. Make sure that you're following along with that and you're updating everything, changing anything that needs to happen. This is the application that is going to be used for your consideration for scholarships and admission and everything else. So make sure you have included everything according to that video. But there are a couple extra steps that you have to get to in order to enroll or to sign in order to apply. So use this video to get you logged in, the next video or the previous video to get you everything completed on your application. See ya.